And that Karana Sagara in which Mahavishnu lies in Yoga Nidra, whenever he inhales, unlimited universes enters into his body. And whenever he exhales, unlimited universes comes out of his body. Like imagine, if you simply have to build a bungalow, imagine, majority IITians, they come from middle class or even lower middle class families. So one thing, they always have a dream that I should have a bungalow once I become well paid executive. Right? So for that, one of my friends is in Gurgaon, and wherever his flat is nearby, I asked him, what are these flats? So just near to him, he says, this flat is all 5 crore rupees, right? And then next, I saw another, little flat, and it says 25 crore rupees, this flat. Okay. And IITians would like to have this. Means, literally you have to work, or you have to invest in your entire 30-40 years of career to have such a bungalow, right? Then you have to earn money, and using that money, you have to get. But you see here, unlimited universes are simply coming by his own will. He desires, things happen. Inconceivable personality. Another here, inconceivable personality, what you are saying here, when Krishna was here 5,000 years ago, when he was 5-year-old, he killed one Asura called Aghasura. An Asura who has taken this type of a Agha means python. In fact, this is the place where, I am setting up one traditional Vedic school. Exactly the place where Krishna killed Aghasura. So after he killed, the demigods and everyone, they celebrated. Because this demon was very dangerous, vicious. And they showered flowers. So when Brahmaji saw there is a big celebration, he came out. And when he saw Krishna, he was a little bewildered because he was a small kid. And after killing Aghasura, Krishna and his friends, they went for a picnic. They found a nice place. And their mothers had packed some lunch. And Krishna, as a small kid, he likes yogurt rice. Okay. So as he eats yogurt rice, seemingly he's a very small boy. And this yogurt rice, as he eats, some of this liquid portion, they licks and it goes towards elbow. And sometimes he also tries to lick there. Right? Like a small child, helpless child, it appears. And when Brahmaji saw that, it's really God. Is it really God? He was doubtful. Right? So when these people are doing picnic, their calves were grazing. And as they were seeing more and more green grass, they were going in that direction. And there was a little distance between where the boys are there and where the calves. And Brahmaji went there and stole all of them and put them in a guha, in a cave, in Yoga Nidra. Sleeping. Time doesn't pass. And the coward friends of Krishna, when they didn't see the calves, they started crying. Krishna said, don't worry, I'll look at it. You enjoy your lunch, I go. So when Krishna went in search of the calves, in the meantime Brahmaji also stole all the coward friends of Krishna. Right? And put them in another book. Wow. So the coward boys are in Yoga Nidra, the calves are in Yoga Nidra. Who is left now? Only Krishna. And Brahmaji is saying, I have caught him. I have caught him. And when Krishna came, he saw his friends are not there. So immediately he recognized, Brahmaji, you want to test? Fine. Let's have a test. So Krishna expanded himself to as many calves and as many coward boys. अब थोड़ा सोचो ना, अगर आप कहीं गए हो, आपकी दोस्त खो गया, क्या करोगे? रोगे बैठ के, घर भी नहीं जा पाओगे, क्योंकि अपनी दोस्त की परिवार को क्या जवाब दोगे? पर for Krishna nothing happened. The way he came, the same celebration he is going, but now everyone is Krishna. Everyone is Krishna, and this didn't happen a day or for a week. For entire 1 year, this continued. And during this 1 year, actually, in Brass, something wonderful happened. What is that? Now earlier, everyone, they have their kids. But Krishna is most attractive. Everybody liked Krishna. Everybody loved Krishna more than their own kids. But this time, during this one period, it got reversed. Nobody is now looking at Krishna. Everybody is loving their own kids because they are not their kid. Each one of them is Krishna. Similarly, the cows, whenever the calves will come back, the cows will lick the calves out of affection. Right? But here, what happened when the calves came, because they are no more calves, they are actually Krishna, the attraction for the calves became also very intense. And on this particular day, when Brahma stole the calves, that day was Balaram Jayanti, and hence Balaram was not there in the entourage in the beginning. So he was not aware. Otherwise he would have known it. Because there is no difference between Krishna and Balaram. Both are God. So, Balaram once, he saw that the cows are in the top of the Govardhan, where elderly men are cultivating. And Krishna, with his entourage, who are actually Krishna, of course the calves are there, coward boys are there, everybody is there, but they are all Krishna. So when that troop came along with Balaram, the cows in the top, they saw their calves at the bottom. And they all rushed. The attraction was so intense, from the top of the hill, they just rushed downward. I don't know how many of you have done hill climbing. Hiking, have you ever done? Going up the hill. How many of you have done? You have done. So, going up is difficult or going down is difficult? Going up. Going up? That means you have not done actually. Going up is easy. Going down, most of the time you have the fear of falling down. How often you have done, but I have, literally for at least 2 years, continuously I have gone top of the hill, collected woods along with other village boys, and have brought, and proudly have told my mother, I have brought the cooking woods. So, while coming down is very tough, because somehow slips your feet slips means big danger is there. So they were all rushing towards, and the cowherd men, when they saw it, they were absolutely in anger. why these cows are going? They will be injured. Then we have to take care of them. And they also followed the cows. And as soon as they came down, they saw the cows are licking their calves profusely. And they were absolutely angry. But simultaneously, when they saw their own kids, so those kids are no more their kids, they are Krishna. And the attraction became so intense, they forgot their anger. Balaram noticed that Krishna, something fishy is here, something wonderful is there. So immediately, of course, Balaram knew, and Brahmaji came down and saw Krishna was doing his leela the way he was doing. So he went to one cave, एक गुफा में जाके जब धूप उसको ओपन किए, खोले, तो देखे कि सभी काफ्स, जितने सारे बछड़ा हैं, बछिया हैं, सब योग निद्रा में हैं। दूसरा गुफा में गए, उस गुफा में भी जितने सारे बॉल वाले हैं, सब योग निद्रा में हैं। और बाहर आके फिर देख रहे हैं, वो घूम रहे हैं सब। वो समझ में आ गया, he is Krishna, right? And to show him special mercy, when Brahmaji comes to offer prayer to Krishna and he begs apology, immediately Krishna shows him. All these cowherd boys and calves, each one of them, they manifest as 400 Narayana. That means Krishna is surrounded by millions of Narayanas there. And that's what Brahmaji is seeing. Okay? He's beholding the wonderful opulence of Krishna. Can anybody say, what is this? Don't look at these things. What is this?